Well, today we're diving deep into Kimberly's story. It's incredibly personal in navigating hair loss, specifically while wearing locks. Kimberly wears locks, and she asked lots of locticians, specialists in locks, but kept hearing the same thing. Nope, sorry, no way to really camouflage the alopecia with your locks.
Think about that. Her only option became pulling her hair back into a ponytail. All that versatility, that expression she had with her locks, just gone.
So frustrating.
It really raises a big question, doesn't it? What do you do when the standard answers just don't fit your specific situation? Especially something as deeply personal as hair. But Kimberly, she wasn't ready to just accept no. She kept pushing.
Which led her, like so many of us, to Google.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And eventually she landed on, she never tells Salon and Hair Replacement Center. Seeing that expertise laid out, Brittany's background, the testimonials,
Yeah.
it probably showed Kimberly that this person understood complex hair issues.
Integrating a piece with locks. That's not standard, right? How does that even work?
Yeah. It's absolutely not standard. That's the innovation here. You can't just slap a regular wig or topper onto locks. Brittany's committed to using top-quality hair, obviously, but for Kimberly, this meant intense research. She had to find hair that didn't just look like locks, but match Kimberly's specific lock, texture, weight, everything.
Wow.
And then there's the base, the attachment. That had to be custom engineered, something that could hold the lock extension securely, but wouldn't damage Kimberly's existing hair or scalp. Especially with the alopecia sensitivity. It's like building a custom support system.
So the big reveal, what happened when Kimberly saw it?
She apparently just couldn't believe it. Her reaction was, it looks just like my locks, like a perfect match.
That's incredible.
And Brittany didn't stop there. She walked Kimberly through the whole installation, how to care for it, recommended specific products. She even repaired some of Kimberly's own natural locks that needed attention, really going the extra mile.
The emotional side of this, Kimberly said she was almost speechless, like she hadn't seen her hair properly styled in years.
Yeah, she mentioned feeling, physically different, standing taller, chest lifted higher, all from a hairpiece. It sounds small, but the impact was huge for her self-perception.
Kimberly called Brittany amazing, gifted, professional, passionate, knowledgeable, all these things. It really shows what specialized expertise can do.